everyone, this is Maria and today I have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. These are called Party Pop Teenies. It says Surprise Popper. These were $2.49. They originally retailed for $5 in these stores. I've seen them at Walmart and also at Target. In fact, Target has these on clearance right now for $3.38. My Target did in Redlands. And so you might want to check there if you don't have a 99-cent only store. But I thought these looked really cute. They're for ages 4 and older. And it says that inside there is supposed to be a little figure and some accessories. So let's get started. Let's get this party rolling. So again, these are Party Pop Teenies Surprise Poppers by Spin Master. And so let's go ahead and open these up. Let's see. Looks like there's plastic here. So we need to remove the plastic. Okay, got that started. And so I'm just going to take this off. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna try up on top. Okay, this is not easy. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yay! First of all, it says do not remove the top here. So we don't want to do that. I see that it's fastened down, so we're not going to touch that. And then it looks like we're going to pull something back here. And it looks like we're going to twist it. And there's a little figure there. And I'm not sure what that is, you guys. But anyway, so let's go ahead and remove this here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Wow, that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. But basically, it looks really cute. And it says pull right here. Oh, right there. Oh, there we go. Oh, the bottom came off, you guys. Okay. And there's a little package here. It says Party Pop Teenies. Oh, there it is. So we didn't need our scissors. There's a little accessory. Oh, that looks really cute. It's a little slice of cake on a plate. And it looks like a little headband. So here's our collector's guide. The first row here are Cutie Animal Surprise. The second row here are Rainbow Unicorn Surprise. And the bottom row are Winter Wonderland Surprise. And it looks like there's a mystery doll here. So let's see if we can get this to pop. And so here's some little arrows. And let's go ahead and twist this. Are you ready, you guys? Are you ready? Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, wait. Is it working? No, it says we're supposed to go this way. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's not doing anything. Oh! Never mind. Okay. Okay, that did catch me by surprise, but look how cute this little doll is. Oh my God. Here is all of the confetti that was inside of this little tube. It popped out and I wasn't ready for that. And so it literally, some pieces flew on my kitchen counter, just like 4 little pieces. I still see a few up there. And then the rest of it flew over the side. It was in our dining room. It was so funny, but at least it's cute. And so look at all of the confetti. There's like a gingerbread man. There's a snow globe, a little Christmas tag, and then there's these foiled confetti pieces like hearts and bunnies. Let's see how we get this little doll out. Or if she comes out, she should. Oh wait, is there a tag there? Oh, okay, I'm gonna twist her. That was easy, just twist her. Look how cute that is. That is really cute. And then we have the little headband that we could place on her. This is really, really adorable. Let's see. Oh, there's a little hole. There's a tiny little hole on the top of her head. And so we could put this little peg in there. This way it doesn't fall off. Oh, look how cute. This is really super cute. I really, really like this. And then she has her accessory. which is her little slice of cake. And by the way, this is Ava. She's from the Winter Wonderland Surprise. She is adorable. So let's open this second one. And so we're just going to peel off the plastic. Let's start on the bottom. I'm afraid that top might go off. As I removed the plastic for this second one, I was very careful, especially when I came to the top. And then it just popped open and confetti went all over the place. And so I had to pick it up and put it right back here again. And right now there's some confetti floating in my cat's water bowl. So I have to take care of that in a second. I still have this part here. And the little doll is right there, but it hasn't popped. And so I'm going to remove the band. I'm holding it down with my finger. And so let's go ahead and remove this. This is not the easiest, but they're really cute. It's just not the easiest to open. There we go. Oops, and that popped out. So let's go ahead and see what our accessories are. So here are the two accessories from the little bag. Remember to look for two little accessories because this little item was down in the corner and you don't want to leave anything in the package and accidentally throw it away. But here's a little cupcake, and I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like a crown, maybe. So let's go ahead and pop this. I'm gonna point it this way, even though all the confetti is out already. Let's see. Ah, okay, I felt the spring on the bottom. There's a little spring in there. Oh, look at that. Isn't she adorable? She is really cute. And so let's go ahead and twist her off. There we go. So it does look like this is a crown. I'm going to place this right here. So this is from the Winter Wonderland Surprise, and she sort of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. So these are taking a little while to unwrap. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. There's this right here, and I thought maybe I could just zip right through this. But it doesn't really work that easily. See, I feel like I should be able to just zip and it would open. But then it's shrink wrapped around the bottom. Here we go. But I just wanted to show you one more time. And so this is after opening up 5 more. And I should have the knack of it by now. Ah. Okay, it's still, this stuff still flew over onto my kitchen counter. Let me show you, you guys. So there's my kitchen counter, and you could see some of the confetti up here, and you saw that I was pointing down. And so definitely make sure that when you open these, you don't point them at anyone. And so what if this doll flies off? It shouldn't, but you never know, right? And so let's go ahead and remove the little doll. I mean, the little figures are really super, super cute. I really love these. Look how cute this is. And so let's go ahead and see what's inside the little package, the accessories. Oh, look, she has a cute little purse, so cute. And then we also have in here, oh, look, a cute little beret. So meet Lily. Lily is from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise. She's really cute. So this time I didn't take the entire band off. So let's go ahead and point this down. I'm really going to point this down now. There we go. Okay, that one was a little bit better, but you really have to point these downward. And I didn't take that entire band off, so this part stayed on. But look at her. Isn't she cute? So meet Violet, and she's also from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise. And let's go ahead and remove Violet. There we go. So Violet has a unicorn pet and also a headband. And here is Violet with her little unicorn pet. Look how cute they look. Oops. Oops, there it goes. You can actually feel the mechanism, the spring, when it springs. So meet Riley, and she's also from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise. And so I love her long purple hair. Oh, how cute. Look at the little cookie sheet with the unicorn cookies and the pink hearts. I love that. That's my favorite accessory so far. I love it. And so let's see what else we have in here. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. This is a unicorn horn. Just so cute. I thought it was a cupcake. And so let's go ahead and put that on Riley. Isn't that adorable? So Riley's unicorn horn looks so adorable on her. And she has her little cookie sheet with her cookies. I love this one. Yay, this one is coming off a little bit easier. And so let's go ahead and twist. Gonna hold this down. There we go. And who do we have here? Oh, look how cute. I love her blue hair. So this is May, and she is just way too cute. Look at those boots. Oh my gosh, way too cute. And there she is with her little pink purse and her unicorn horn. I love this. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Oh my gosh, she is adorable too. Look at her rainbow dress. So this is Hayden, and she is so cute. She's even winking. Isn't that adorable? I love her little dress, her little boots. And so let's see what kind of accessories she has. Look at the little hat. Isn't that cute? And then look at this little tiny dessert. Oh, yum. That looks really delicious, doesn't it? So you can see the little tiny hole here to place her hat. It does not match up. It's right in the center. Actually, it should be right on top. And so I'm going to just set her down gently. There she goes. And then we'll just go ahead and hand Hayden her dessert. So this is our very last Pop Teenie in this unboxing, and I want to show you the packaging again. And it says Party Pop Teenies, and you can see the little dolls, and here they are here, and the rainbow of colors are really pretty. And so I already took the little package off, and it's waiting right here. And so you can see it's really pointed down. There we go. And let's see which one we have. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. I love her pink hair, and I love her hairstyle too. So Sophie is anxious to find out what accessories are waiting for her inside this little package. So this is a surprise. Sophie has the same little hat that Hayden has, except I think this one does belong to Sophie because there's the little peg, and Sophie has the tiny little hole there. And so let's go ahead and place this on her head. And voila! The hat fits Sophie perfectly, and you can see it doesn't even fall off because the peg matched up with the little hole in her head. So maybe that was a mismatch for Hayden. Sorry, Hayden, but it still looks adorable on you too. So Sophie also comes with the same little dessert as Hayden. So here are Sophie and Hayden in their matching berets. So here is my honest opinion about Party Pop Teenies. There is going to be a two-parter for this review. And so as for the dolls, I think they are absolutely adorable. I love them. They are so colorful. I love all their different hair color, their little outfits, and their little accessories. I just love them. I think they are so much fun. And I would give these little Pop Teenie dolls 2 thumbs up for sure. They are really super cute. And then the packaging. I love the packaging too. I think it is so adorable, so bright and cheerful. I love the whole concept about a party popper. The only thing is that these were very difficult to open. These are for ages 4 and older, so I would really highly recommend adult supervision. I would recommend that the child point these away from children, not to point these at anyone. And I was tilting them down and still everything was flying out of it. So I would really highly recommend adult supervision. Otherwise, I love the whole concept. It was a lot of fun, really, except for opening them was really a struggle. So I would have to give that part, the packaging is adorable, but I would have to give it a 1 thumbs up on that part because, to be honest, it was really difficult to remove all of that packaging just to get to this part. And then they were going off, some of them were setting off ahead of time. And so, but I love them, you guys. You know I love toys. These are adorable. I just wanted to be honest with you. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about Party Pop Teenies. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Bye.